Okay, here we are. We're going to work on the way bye-bye now. We've taken a big leap. We've come outside. And I'm going to do it here. Come on now. Sit. Okay. Nope. Bye-bye. Yeah. Up, 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 up. Bye. No. Mm-mm. Bye. No. Bye. Yes. Oh. Let's see if I go on this side. I'm just trying to keep him in the... Hello? Hello? Farley. Over here, please. Thank you. Okay. Come here. Sit. Sit. Farley. Farley. Sit. Bye-bye. Okay, so I've obviously taken it too far because he can't settle down here. I might bring out the platform. Come here. Let's try a little bit more. Stop it. Sit. Yes. Okay. Just have to settle him down. Are we seeing him at all? Come here. Farley. Yeah. No. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm giving him... So I think... What if I sit here? We're going to see if we can work this out. Okay. All right. Right here. Sit. No. Off. Wait, bye-bye. Nope. Come here. Okay, for one thing, we're not getting him on the camera. That's a big deal. That's the whole reason we're doing it, right? Come over here. Farley, come over here. Sit. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No. Come here. See how changing it? Yes! Change in environment. Because the water is making a noise out there. Come here. The water, well system. Sit. Bye-bye. No. Bye. No. 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 Nope. Yes. Finally. Bye-bye. And the one piece he swallows whole. Hello, Farley. No. Yes. All right. Finally, he's... I don't know why I can't ever get the camera. All right, maybe this will work. Okay, here. No. Come over here. Sit. Farley, come here. Sit. Bye-bye. No. Okay, this isn't working. So my next thing is, I gave him too much credit. I'm going to bring out the platform. All right, I brought out this. So you see what a big difference? He was doing so well inside. He's like, oh my God, I got this. And then when you get outside, things change. Although I did change the environment and the place he was on. So last time he was on this platform. Can you jump on the platform? Can you jump up here? Come on, jump up here. Farley. So he's really crazy this morning. Up. Okay. Crazy little guy. Here. Alright, now he'll do it. Bye-bye. He's sassy, but he'll do it. So, big difference, right? So if you're trying to take too many steps at once, like I just did, and I took 2 steps. I put him on the ground, right, instead of on the platform, and I brought him outside. Now, the next thing I'll probably do, if I'm going to put him on the floor, is inside. So his next lesson will be inside on the floor. But this was just too much for him. So you can see that big, it's like I said, take one step at a time. Or else you go too fast and everything falls apart. But you can always whip it back together by taking a step backwards. Good boy. Up, 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 up. I don't want him jumping up. Way bye-bye. Good. Let's see if I can get him to face this way. Here, way bye-bye. Whoops. Bye-bye. Yeah. He's crazy. He wants to face that way. Come on this way. All right. Sit. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello. He's watching the car go by. Farley. It's like his entertainment center is that way. Right? The street. Excuse me, Farley. Sit. Bye-bye. Farley. He's not gonna... No. No, we're not done yet, mister. Get back up here. Sit. If you're done eating, which I don't think you are, puppies, their attention spans. Oh, he just found where the bowl is, so now he thinks he's going to jump up there and grab it. No, you're not. I've emptied all the food into my hand. Bye-bye. Farley, bye-bye. Thank you. Hello. Thank you. Very good. Nope. Come on. Farley. He's looking out. The animal, domestic animal control just drove by and you went, you look like you're hiding from the police. Stop it. All right, back to this. Hello, I've got food. Bye-bye. Thank you. Good. All right, I've got a few more pieces here. Bye-bye. Farley. Ugh, got hair on my... Farley? I didn't say... I don't know what's his deal. He's... Mr. Farley. Alright, we're done. If you're done, you're done. I'm not going to keep doing this. Here. Oh, you're so naughty. Alright, we're done for this lesson.